I absolutely love this SOGRACE Smart Watch. It's a beautiful watch that looks very high-end without actually being high-end. It comes with 3 beautiful colored straps, a very light pink, a maroon, and a rose gold. It's very simple to change out these watch bands. So you do 1 band on each side, and it's got a little metal piece that fits down into a hole on the side of the watch. You press down a tiny little lever and the other side will pop into place. Between these 3 colors, you're bound to find one that works with every outfit. The watch face is not too big or too small. It's just the right size and will look great on any wrist. Here's a quick tour. When you swipe to the left, you'll see the various fitness metrics that the watch is able to track, and it can also pair with the music on your phone. If you swipe to the right, you see a quick menu of options. If you swipe down, you see various settings. This is where you'll go to pair the watch with your phone. If you swipe up, you'll see any messages. If the watch is successfully paired to your phone, you can go here and you'll see that it's connected to the Bluetooth. It is required to download the FitCloud Pro app and to bind the watch to the app and hook up to your phone's Bluetooth before it can do any kind of fitness tracking or before you can change the settings on the watch through the app. Once it's all paired, you'll see it's easy to receive incoming calls as well as text messages from your phone Bluetoothed over to your watch. It does come with a charger that you can hook up to the back of the watch here. It is magnetic, so it sticks to it really well. And if you flip it over, you can see an indicator light showing that the battery is recharging. I just love the look and the convenience of this watch. It's so nice to get a phone call and not have to scramble for my cell phone in order to answer it. If you're in the market for a smartwatch, I highly recommend this one from SOGRACE.